Good morning! Morning, si Kuya kagising lang din. Punta tayo ng market. Sila magdadrive, ako maglalakad, syempre. Pabango pa siya. And we're just going to the market. Si Kuya. How about you, Yao?
No. Oh!
Ayun, yung isa din, nagpapabango na.
You want?
What happened?
You my head on the corner.
Ah, see you. Yeah, see you there. See you, yeah. Put. Go. Put jumper. It's cold. It's colder, Kuya.
I hit my head on freaking that last night.
Which one?
That corner here.
How?
Oh,
Nahit niya raw yung ulo niya doon. Malapit na tayo sa public market. Ano kaya mga pinagkakainan ng aking pamilya doon? Maganda yung weather kasi ayan, kitang-kita nyo yung sikat ng araw. Tumakbo akong konti para lang mahabol natin sila doon. Maganda ng weather. And sa next Sunday ata, meron daw na malaking market dito. Diyan. Malaki raw. Sabi ni Jan tsaka ni Ben. So, we'll see. Hi, good morning. Kumaway yung dalawang seniors. Dito na tayo. Hindi ko pala na-charge tong camera natin. Nasa na kaya sila? What are you? Good morning. What are you eating?
And a Helleball. It tastes like Tim Tam Bone.
How's the third time? Good? Where's Ben? Oh.
Getting a haircut?
Okay.
I made it a beef stick.
Moo is a cow.
It's not moo, it said pork.
Pork?
It's called moo pig, not moo. Not cow.
Oh, masarap yung third.
They were cooking more.
Did you see the banana?
What? We got the banana cake.
Did you get the banana cake?
Chocolate.
None there.
We got the chocolate one.
Chocolate one. Oh, wala na rin ng banana bread. The full one. Oh, yun pa naman. Because it's already 10:18. 11 kasi ito nagsasara. Diba? Same lang yung tinda nila. Wala lang yung gusto kong bilhan ng plants. Next Wednesday pa siya. Yung herbs niya, gusto ko yun. Who? Daddy? What are you gonna get here, Baba? Gusto nilang bumili ng juice. Yeah, tropical is good, Baba. Meron sila ditong juice cold pressed, affogato, and tiramisu and cannoli. Meron sila.
Thank you very much. Have you got any unpasteurized milk? I got you. I got you.
I've got some back at the caravan park.
Yeah? Bring me some. Hello. Welcome. Of course. Thanks. guys like anything for you?
No, thanks.
I was joking before. Eh?
Yeah, it's alright. Bawal ko raw siyang kunan.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you. It's like mommy?
No.
Is it good, huh? What is it? Yeah, there is pineapple. Yeah, you can taste the pineapple. What you gonna get?
We'll walk back with you.
Are you sure?
If we're going back, not walk.
Aw, I'm still gonna
Yeah,
go to
look,
the
movie.
other.
Grilled pork.
I'm still gonna go to the market, the other
Down
market.
there, the bottom.
Yeah, smoking. Grilled pork. You said, yeah.
I said that.
Skewer, barbecue.
Look at you.
Yours is coming. How's the rolls?
Toodles change back.
Yummy, aren't they?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is not ready, Baha. This is not ready yet. Yeah. Wait, Zach. I'm good. Yung cold press juice nila, $10. Okay na.
Run. Hey, I had 2 smoothies today.
Did you too, Kuya?
Well, I didn't like the banana one, and then Zach got one that had coffee in it, so he didn't have it, so I had it.
Hatid ko lang sila sa car kasi may binili tayong avocado nandito sa bag ko. And yung banana nandun sa isa.
Mama, she had color in it.
Si Holly kasi gusto niya yung avocado. Ayun na sila. Pinadala ko rin yung DJI para ma-charge. And ako continue yung walking natin. Dito na ulit tayo sa Yamba Main Beach. Ito na yung ating pang 14 days na nag-walking tayo dito. Meron nga yung mga nag-swimming. Kahapon wala. Kasi malamig. And yes, ayan. Merong nagsa-sunbathing doon. 14 days straight. Wow. Okay, tapos akyat ulit naman. Ganun lang, baba, akyat.
Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance? Music's playing loud from the party outside. Yeah, left your friend alone, nervous about my plans. Yet here we stand. 'Cause the time is stand still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels really new. Try to slow it down, but it doesn't work. Race to the altar, get there first. My heart, it can't stop when the feeling hits. Hang the future on your kiss. Put your head in mine and I know it's true. I close my eyes and you say I love you too. Snow is falling down, so the city's rush. Love is in the air, hours of summer.
Pinagpawisan tayo. Pinagpawisan tayo. And today's budol, aside sa fruits, eto, meron tayong nabili. Ang dami kong pinunta na shops. Ang gaganda ng ano nila. Ang gaganda ng mga pants, dresses. And yung iba, galing pa rin ng ano, Italy. I'm just gonna do a whole hand. So, eto yung pinuntahan ko. Last time may nabili na ako ditong isa sa Total Look. Ayan. Mga wide legs. Yung sinukat ko, binag ko rin to. Ayan. Ang ganda kasi flowy siya. Magagamit ko to sa next trip namin. Ayan. Nakita nyo na to. Sinukat ko siya. Binili ko all prints. Meron ako yung green. Ayan. Do you like it, honey?
What's a dress?
No, it's a pants, babe.
So big for you.
It's a wide pants. Too
Yeah.
big daw. Malaki, wide kasi siya. And kailangan ko siyang,
It's so big.
it's not,
So long.
yeah, so I have to fold it. I have to fold it. And shorts. Ayan. So, yan yung ating mga nabili for today's trip. Walking. My gift for my 14 days of walking straight, honey. Where's the kids? Si Sak lang nandito. Sukat ko to para makita ni Jan. Kasi sabi niya, sobrang malaki raw. Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi ko, wide lang siya. Tapos yung nakita niya, see, it's too long. It's gonna get dirty. Sabi ko, that's the style, Han. What? To get dirty? Sabi ko, no. The wide of the pants. Sabi niya, it's too big. So, hindi niya bet. Pero ako gustong-gusto ko yung tela niya. Ang dami ko pang pinuntan talagang shops na ang daming magaganda. Pero eto yung nagustuhan kong tela. Ayan. Sobrang soft. Tapos flowy siya. So, mayroon ako nabili nung 2 weeks ago ba? Or last week. Yung green. So, nakuha ko na lahat ng prints. Ito yung green. Ayan siya. So, yung iba, size 8. Tapos, may size 10 ako. So, yun yung sizes. Kasi yung iba doon, ano na, 14, 16, yung mga sizes nila. So, yan. Diba? And yung shorts, ang ganda rin ng shorts. Nung sinukat ko siya. Size 8 yung shorts. Char. Nag-size 8 na tayo. Kasi ako usually size 10 or 12. Minsan nagpo-14 ako. Depende kasi sa cut or sa tela. Or sa pagtahi. So, yeah. But this time, meron akong 8, 10. May 12 ba ako? May 12 din ata dyan. But, yeah, I'm happy kasi ang ganda ng tela niya. As in, presko talaga siya. As in, ayan. Meron pa pala akong binili. Bago ako nag-shopping, pumunta ako sa off-shop nila. Meron akong nakitang off-shop. Ito yung nakita ko doon. Unique lang siya. Ayan. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng oil. Dalawa siya, set. Yung isa mas matangkad. Ata. Pareho lang. Pareho lang ba? Ayan. So, pwede siyang lagyan ng oil. May takip siya. Pero yung isa, natanggalan na ng parang sa wine. Ito ba? Ito yung takip niya. Oh. Ayan, ganyan siya. Diba? Ang ganda din. Ang cute lang. Unique. Kasi hindi mo na yun makikita sa shop. Oh, I'm not sure about. Sabi ng babae, binilang ko nito. Sabi niya, this is very unique. You won't buy it in the other shops. Which is true. Tapos eto, natanggalan lang siya. Yung parang sa wine nga. Ayan, natanggalan siya. Pero okay lang. Ayan. Diba? Ano lang, nabili ko. Ano lang to? $5 lang ata to. Set na siya ha. $5 lang. Yan yung ating mga iba pang nabili. Lagay ko ulit siya dito para hindi mabasag. Ay! May natapon na. Ah, oo, ayan. Yung ganito niya, nandoon. Nahulog. Yung dalawa doon na totoong it. Hindi nila alam ang tong it. Naglalaro silang cars. Yung mga bata na sa skate park. Inubos pala kagabi yung rice. Ayan. Walang rice. Kakain sana si Kuyang adobo. Walang rice. So, ang kinain niya ay tinapay. And uploading yung vlog ko. Gutom na ako. Wala pa tayong kain. Except dun sa kagat. Nagkagat ako dun sa tart ni Jan kanina. Kunti lang. Tinikman ko lang. Nakalimutan kong inumin yung aking yung ating shot. Ito ba? Yung beetroot. Malamig na naman. Inom ako nito, tapos kain akong rice. Yung quinoa brown rice. Red ba? Then, adobo. Then, kakain kami ng dinner sa labas. And today, merong footy training yung mga bata. Ang strong ko lang ng turmeric. Pumasok sa ano ko. So, may training silang 5. And, magliligo yung mga kids after ng training. Then, kakain kami sa labas. Then, magbo-bowling daw. So, ngayon ako, kakain ng adobo. Yung mga yung gustong-gusto ito ni Kuya. And, yung banana natin, kinakain ng mga bata. Gustong-gusto nila. Yung ginagawa kong parang sinapot or banana fritter, gustong-gusto nila itong kainin. So, nilabas ko dito para makain nila. And kagabi wala akong internet. Walang internet dito kagabi sa loob ng caravan. Tapos nung nag-CR ako, dinala ko doon, meron. Dito wala sa loob. Ngayon okay na. Kaya ayan, uploading siya. Kaya may vlog tayo mamaya. Init na natin yung ating adobo tsaka rice. Gawa lang ako nitong salad. Carrots lang. Kasi wala tayong cucumber. Lang pala na carrots kasi parang madami na siya. And mayroon pa tayong rice and pork. Nilagyan ko siya ng goat cheese. Guys, lagay ko dito sa gilid. Ayan na yung ating pagkain. Wala lang tayong green. Pero okay na yan. Thank you, Lord. Parang ito na yung aking magiging lunch bowl. Dinner bowl. Kasi ang ganda niya, tamang-tama lang lahat. Gandang tingnan. Sarap. Pagkain mo na ako, guys.
Tinatawanan ko siya kasi tingnan mo naman yun.
My clothes over your clothes.
Ay, mas worse daw yung mga binili ko. Malalaki raw sa akin. How about this one? And yung pants, ngayon niya lang masusuot. Nabili namin yan 3 years ago sa Queensland. Nandito yan sa ilalim ng bed namin. Bagong-bago. 3 years ago. Wow. Parang maghanap to ng chicks, ha? That one.
Yeah, I'll put that on. It's too hot.
Oh, ambulance again, Han. Di pa ako tapos kumain. Natatawa lang ako kanyang inaasar ko siya. Inaasar niya rin ako. Kain. Sarap nito talaga. Pupunta na pala tayo sa training ng mga bata.
Look at how much that's sagging.
Yeah. Are they checking out?
Yeah.
Is that them there?
Not very late.
I don't know why they do everything freaking late.
They were only here for
Ah.
a day, Dad.
Late na ng check out nila. Usually 10, right, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10
They
ang
must
check
have
out.
booked for 2 days now.
Maybe. What time is it?
Like what we did at Western.
From the top.
Boots feel small.
Kala ko na yung phone. What time is it? 4:16. Blurry na naman tayo. Oh.
You know what my next boots are, Dad? Pink ones. Why?
Pink?
Stand out more.
Oh, wow.
Just copy Ollie Fox. Pete, that's purple. What, like
Kasi June na naman.
I don't know. They're not.
Why? Are you due for a new one, Kuya?
Soon.
Next year.
Soon. Next
year.
I'm at the end of these. Doesn't matter.
You always are at the end of the year.
Yeah,
and then
I know.
you get new ones, and then you get end of the year
Ending
again.
again,
So you
this-
get the
That
season
says
out.
yes. Next, yeah.
you got
Almost
last year. Yeah, these are these.
Pink daw ang gustong kulay ni Kuya.
got that September.
You got blue, Zach.
Just before grand final. I got it 5 games before grand final.
What, 5?
Yes, it was. So 5 weeks before grand final. It was like 2 weeks. No, because I got him Glencoe game. What about you? We brought you brand new ones. You got a brand new one pair straight away.
That's right.
That's right, Zach.
$300. Yeah, the first ones were.
You're yelling in my ear.
Yeah, stop
Yeah.
it, TJ.
Yeah.
Oh, my baby girl. From the
Wait, what's
top.
the top?
Parang nasa isip ko yung yung kanta. Narinig ko lang
Wait,
yun sa
what's the
face.
top?
From the top. Ang cute niya. Yung, sino ba yun? Nakalimutan ko yung niya. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. As in, siya, yung parang pantay yung kulay niya. Ang ganda niya. Nasa isla siya yata nakatira. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng kulay niya. Ang ganda niya kumanta.
What?
From the top to the...
It's not
Ay, mali. Ayan.
He's not cool. Yes.
Ay.
No.
No.
Wait, Dad.
Oh, dude.
Feeling...
Before Holly goes. I already know.
Sabi niya,
Zach.
sabi ni Jan, nakita mo yung mga tao, pinagtitinginan na ako.
We have to go.
Yan, nagsabi si Zach, it doesn't look cool, Dad. Parang joke-joke lang namin yan. Kasi siya, pag ganun-ganun din siya.
Already know.
I know, but wait, Dad. Before Holly goes to someone's cabin, she should tell
May-
you first.
My friend, yeah, no, she asked me. She asked me, she said
Yeah,
she's
but
going,
Dad still knows another.
No, Mom can just tell Dad.
yeah, she asked me that she's going
Is
to,
that Max's barber, Dad?
to a friend. May bago siyang friend kasi may mga bata na naman sa,
She's
sa
like 15.
Caravan
she's
Park.
12.
So, nakipaglaro na naman siya. Pumunta siya sa cabin.
Turning 12?
Malapit lang naman dun sa amin.
12?
Turning 13.
Remember this place, Baba? Good food.
Well, we ate there.
No, just me and Holly last time. Andun na pala yung mga bata. Nagtitraining na sila. And kami ni Holly dito lang kami sa loob. Kasi malamig. Lamig sa labas, Baba? Cold ang lamig sa labas. And gamit ko yung phone kasi eto. Nandito siya. Puno na kasi na naman. Ayan. Nagta-transfer tayo. Gamit natin ang phone. Ayan. Nagta-tackling sila. Yung training nila, tackling. Ayan yung mga girls. Ibang ano din sila, ibang division, pero sabay-sabay sila nagtitraining. 15 years old yung ibang girls dyan. Tapos na pala yung training ng mga bata. Si Zach. nakaligo at nakabihis na nandun na sa baba. Si kuya nasa shower pa naliligo. Ako daling ko to guys, yung ating avocado, yung chia pudding. Lagyan ko kaya itong konting gata. Daling ko to doon. Tingnan yung mga pulma ng aking boys. No. Yeah, but he said mashed or chips in Amsterdam. Nag-order na si Jan. And yung nakalimutan ko ay yung aking driver's license. Kasi dito sa New South Wales, pag kumakain kayo dito sa restaurant or bistro, kailangan ng driver's license. Ini-scan siya. Ang ginawa ni Jan, sinign up niya ako na I'm the wife. Tapos ano ba? Okay. Kasi sabi ko, pakita ko yung picture natin na asawa mo ako at nanay nila ako. Kasi kailangan talaga yun. Yun yung nakalimutan ko. May pabingo dito. Ayan, kinuha na nila yung garlic bread. Zach, you have a big schnitzel coming. So you better, yeah. You better,
What happened to schnitzel?
Steak.
Wait, Dad, where's the plates?
Ako,
The plates.
i-order ko sana yung margarita, pizza. Yung sa likod ko, nakita ko, meron siyang seafood na pizza. Yun na lang in-order ko.
Chips. No, it's salad and chips. You either mash or cheese. What, you got...
So this one have prawns and scallop.
Can I get a fork, please?
So you got prawns, Mum? You said you weren't hungry.
But I saw this one. So mayroon siyang scallop tsaka prawns. Yeah. This one's only color. Put this one. It's good. Nice now. Nice.
There's no prawns though.
No prawns. No, because you can see the prawns is red. Ayun na lang yung natira. Si Jan kumuha ng 3 kasi hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Binigyan ko rin si Willow ng 1. Tapos ayan si Kuya. In fairness, sobrang sarap niya. Si Holly ang galing ubos niya din. Siksak kumuha siyang konti. Pinalitan niya ng steak kasi si Holly gusto rin ng steak. So nag-swap sila. Pero ayan, ubos. Pati yung kaysa ko ubos din. Si Kuya ubos. Lahat ubos. Ang sarap ng food. Masarap lahat ng in-order namin dito. So eto merong calamari, prawns. Wala pala dito. Special ano nila to tonight. Special. Wala yan dyan sa menu. Doon to sa board. So scallops, prawns, may bags. May bags din siya. And yeah, scallops. And calamari. Sarap. So bigyan natin ito kay Kuya para ubos talaga. Bowling na kami. Alala nyo to? Kapunta na tayo dito. Ano ba yung? Whatever, Kuya.
Do it like this. Not like this. Right.
Parang nag-boxing, Kuya.
Put your fingers in there.
Come on, because then it's weird. It makes me go. Wait, tape it. Hey, tape it. There's a crack in that one. Oh, that's bad.
up, Baba? Oh. Here you go, Kuya.
Oh, here comes shot Rizzler.
Oh!
Not bad, not bad. 9 she's on.
Okay, tapos na. Kami na lang natitira dito. Sarado na yung restaurant. Ang nanalo si Ben, pangalawa si John, draw si Sak, tsaka si Max. Tayo silang dalawa. Si Kuya next. Last kami ni Holly. Guys, yun na yung vlog natin. Ang lakas ng TV ni Jan. So, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me.